It's official, pool season is here, but what does that mean? Well, trying to keep that crystal clear all summer long. And how do you do it? Well, I have two products right here that I've been checking out from Wybot. Now this is their handheld vacuum. It's a rechargeable vacuum, has worked really well. And then this right here is the Osprey 200 Max robotic vacuum. Now this one does not climb walls, but just keeping the bottom all nice and clean, and it has a really long runtime too. It has done a pretty good job, and it's one of those products that it's not gonna break the bank. Now, if you're looking for one that's gonna climb the walls, they do have another version which will do that, but this thing is just really great just to drop it in, let it clean things, and just let it go. Now, if there's some spots, maybe like on the stairs or something, that this didn't pick up because it's just essentially going back and forth with a mind of its own, then you could also pick something like this up. Now you can connect it to a standard extension pole, or you can always dive down and just suck the things up. It has done a really good job. The angle of this makes it pretty easy to get into all those nooks and crannies. The battery time is awesome. Suction power is really good, as well as the chamber here for sucking everything up is a decent size. So if you have it on a pool, great. You don't have to worry about priming any tubes, anything like that. You can do a quick clean. This probably would be really ideal also for some of the above ground pools, no problem. This would also be really good, I think, for some of the above ground pools, as well as the smaller in-ground pools. Now, I've seen a lot of videos out there, and I've tested some other robot vacuums. That one did climb walls where this one does not. But some of the other videos I saw on the Wybot, they were just like all about it, and it does such an amazing job. Honestly, I think it does a really good job. I don't know about amazing. I would still have a backup vacuum just in case I needed to do it, because yes, it's going back and forth all these different ways, has good suction, a good chamber, has a built-in filter.
And while it typically did a good job cleaning, when we had a heavy debris load, we did find that there was some debris still left on the side where the wall met the bottom of the pool. And because of that,
having a secondary vacuuming device is also really good. Now, essentially, it's still a smart robot that's going back and forth and cleaning everything in the pool, keeping it looking great with a lot less that you have to do. But I also think for the price that this is, I think it does a really good job. So if you're looking to not spend a lot of money, but also keep your pool looking clean and crystal clear easily, then I would recommend checking out these products from Wybot.